Welcome. In this video, I'll show how to see the contacts you've shared with Snapchat. If you've ever synced your phone contacts and wondered what Snapchat actually has access to, this quick guide will help you find exactly where to check. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page, where you can manage your account settings. Next, in the top right corner, tap on the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. This will open up the full settings menu, where Snapchat keeps all of your account options. Now, scroll down through the settings until you find the section labeled Account Actions. It might take a second to spot, so just keep scrolling steadily until you see it. Under Account Actions, tap on Manage Contacts. This is where Snapchat stores and manages the contact information you've shared or synced from your device. Once you're inside Manage Contacts, look for the option that says See Contacts Shared with Snapchat. Tap on it, and that's it.